Maytag Bravos XL Washer, Reset Guide. Factory Reset, and Error Code Fix Method 1. Basic Power, Soft. Reset Step 1. Turn off the washer and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Step 2. Leave the washer unplugged for at least 5 minutes. Step 3. Plug the washer back into the outlet. Step 4. Select any wash cycle and press the Start button to test functionality. Method 2. Diagnostic Mode Reset, Button Combination. Step 1. Ensure the washer is plugged in and powered on but idle, not running a cycle. Step 2. Press the following buttons in sequence, 3 times each. Temperature, soil level, spin speed. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Step 3. Watch for all the lid lights to illuminate, indicating entry into diagnostic mode. Step 4. Press the final button again to initiate diagnostic testing or reset codes. Method 3. Lid lift motor reset. Step 1. Turn off the washer and unplug it from the wall outlet. Step 2. Wait 1 minute, then plug the washer back in. Step 3. Within 30 seconds, lift and lower the lid 6 times in rapid succession, within 12 seconds total. Step 4. Close the lid. Wait for control lights or sounds indicating reset success. Method 4. Factory Reset via touchscreen menu. Step 1. Turn on the washer and access the main menu using the display panel. Step 2. Navigate to the Info or Settings section. Step 3. Select Restore Factory Settings or Factory Reset option. Step 4. Confirm the reset when prompted by the screen.